Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss SQL commands, particularly DDL commands. If you are learning SQL or preparing for SQL interviews, this video will help you understand the fundamentals of DDL commands clearly. Let's get started. We have 5 types of SQL commands: DDL commands, DML commands, DCL commands, TCL commands, DQL commands. DDL means data definition language, DML means data manipulation language, DCL means data control language, TCL means transaction control language, DQL means data query language. Now in this video we will focus only DDL commands. DDL commands are used to define or modify structure of database objects such as tables, views, schemas, procedures, functions. In simple words, these commands are help us to create, modify and delete database structures. The most commonly used DDL commands are create, drop, alter, truncate. Let's understand each of these commands with examples. First, let us start with the create command. Create command is used to create database objects such as tables, databases, views. For example, to create student table, we can write the following SQL statement. Create table students with 4 columns: student ID, name, age, department. If we run this code in SQL, it will throw an error because data type is missing here. That is, student ID data type is missed here, name data type is missed here, age data type is missed here, department data type is missed here. That's why it will throw an error. So this is not the right approach. So the correct approach for creating the table is we can assign for each column to the data type. So here the student ID, it is assigned to the data type integer, name with the data type varchar, age with the data type integer, department with the data type varchar. So if we run this code in SQL, it will create a table with 4 columns: student ID, name, age, department. So in this way, the table is created like this. Let's move on to the drop command. So drop command is used to delete database objects permanently. Let us consider the same student table. Let us write down the syntax for drop command. Drop table students. If you run this command, the table structure and all the data stored in the student table is permanently deleted. Now let's move on to the alter command. Alter command is used to modify an existing table. Using alter command, we can perform the following tasks. First one, adding new column, modify table name, modify column data type, drop a column. So to add a new column to existing table, let's consider the student table. So in the student table, I want to add one more new column, that is email column. For that one, we can write the following syntax: alter table students, add email, and data type for that email is varchar. So here in the existing table, already 4 columns there: student ID, name, age, department is there. By adding one more column, email, so that is added like this. So this is now adding a new column. Let us also modify the table name. To modify the table name, The following syntax we can use: alter table students. The existing table is the student table, so we need to change the students table to student name. So for that one, alter table students, rename to student name. Now the student table is modified to student name table. Next, modify column data type. Sometimes we can also change the data type of a column in the existing table. For example, I want to change the data type of age. Here it is existing table. The data type is what is there here? Integer is there. So to modify the data type of this age column, I can write the syntax for that one is alter table students with the column age and type float. I am changing to integer to float. Now to drop a column from the existing table. For example, I want to drop this email column from the existing table. So I can write the syntax for this dropping a column: alter table students drop column email. Now let's move on to truncate. Truncate command is used to delete all the records from a table, but it keeps the table structure. The syntax for the truncate command is truncate table students. Here the students is the table name. This students table contains 4 columns: student ID, name, age, department, along with the data. So if we run the truncate command to this table, it deletes all the records from the table, but it keeps the table structure like this. So here there is no data available, but the table structure is available. So this is about the truncate. Let's summarize the DDL commands. Create command is used to create database objects. Drop command is used to delete database objects permanently. Alter command is used to modify existing tables. Truncate command is used to remove all the records from a table. These commands are very important because they help us design and manage the database structure. I hope this video helped you understand DDL commands clearly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more SQL tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.